Hey guys, welcome back. This is the last package we have, and I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but like I feel like I don't know, you guys obviously don't know what it is. I know what it is. It's the first time I've actually, I've known what my packages are. This ain't the first time. I actually need to get like a box cutter. I used to have like a tiny little box cutter for my keys, which I could use. I don't know where it is though. Anyways, I can like skip this part if you want. I don't know what timestamp, but like, oh, she's done. And also, if you guys are in like Toronto, like I'm trading all these too. If you're interested, like just go on Facebook, search like Matchbox 5-pack, like Hot Wheels, stuff like that. Oh, it looks like multiple segments, you know. They packed it like real nice. Ooh. So it's the last package. Look at that right here. If you want to look here, we got like all the boxes are just sitting here, man. Even I'm using it for storage, man. I'm just keeping a bunch of stuff. All right, y'all. Let's just keep on looking. Let's take a look. So I never thought that I would ever need. Ooh. Okay. Finally. I want to swear right now. I'm so happy. I'm happy. Look at. Finally, they're not using tape. They're using cotton. You know, I'm just gonna say, fuck. Thank you. Whoever the seller is, thank you. Thank you so much. And you know how, remember before they put tape on it? You remember?
Yeah.
They didn't put tape this time. They put, cotton. Oh.
What happened?
Nothing. It's no, because since you put cotton, actually never mind. It will kind of rub against it. Actually, you know what's fine. Like the cord. Never mind. I take back everything I said about this guy. You know, I've actually seen people get scammed like this, cause since the tape is there, it blocks the damage. I've heard. Like I've seen this before. Like. But it's a trusted seller. But damn, even though this thing's old, it's got like a... That's really bad. Oh my god. Jesus. Dude. I'm gonna have to fix that. Jeez. I'm gonna have to do the glue and like pinch method. That's really bad. Oh my god. Dude, on the Super. Dude, you have to do like some glue and like. I'm a little pissed off because in the pictures there was no damage on it. But like this guy sells multiple of them. So like I don't know what to say, you know? Also, like, if you guys are watching this video, it's like I want to know, if you can just rip off the tape fast, because takes a long time. I'm a little mad at that. I'm actually pretty mad.
I'm gonna leave this guy a review.
Yeah, I guess.
He did a bad package.
On God, like, you know what?
You knew that it was damaged?
No, I didn't see. In the listing, it wasn't like that. But I have to check the listing. Maybe it was. Oh, I see. Okay, you know why? Because look, in the listing, see how it's smoothed out? And look, since this guy put cotton, right? The cotton was smooth and it would shift the car around, and it's not stuck in place. So maybe the corner was already damaged and like reopened. Oh, okay. Like, hold on. Like if you see this, I'm thinking like, okay, that looks fine. Don't worry, I can put like some glue in this corner. I can fix it. But this is like, yeah, damn. Other than that, I'm pretty happy. Look at that gold. Ooh, Super. Yeah, look at that, man. Ooh, that's beautiful. That's so beautiful. Oh, man. I love that. Isn't that gorgeous? Ooh. If I had an actual proper protector, I don't know, this one's like a little whack. I don't know about this one. Actually, no, this one's fine. Yeah, that was the problem. It was because... Oh, man. This protector is actually ass. Oh, my God. This is the worst. That is not protecting nothing. I'm gonna, like, sell this or throw this in the garbage. This is a... Look, this is a garbage protector. Holy shit. Look. Look at the protectors I got off, like, AliExpress. Look. That's hard. Look at that. That's just it's a piece of shit. It's garbage. Look at that. Look at the quality on this. It's so bad. Look at this. Nice thick plastic. And these are like not even there. They weren't even that much. I got them on AliExpress. Dude, that's disappointing because oh man.
I'm gonna leave this guy a review.
Honestly, like
Didn't do a proper package.
It's not that bad, but it's not that good either, you know? I don't really mind. Like, it's okay. What can you do? Mistakes have been learned. Still beautiful. I love it still. This collection's just for me. Okay, that's really bugging me. But I do know a method how to fix it where you get some glue in the corner and you pinch it. So that'll be okay. But yeah, anyways, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.